Error code F23 on a Hisense washing machine indicates a problem with the pressure sensor, which measures and detects water levels during the washing process. This issue can be caused by several factors, including a dirty air chamber filled with debris and dirt, preventing the sensor from detecting water levels. Poor wire connections, such as damaged or loose connections between the main board and the pressure sensor, can also hinder the sensor's function. Additionally, a damaged sensor hose connecting the air chamber to the pressure sensor, or a damaged pressure sensor itself, can make it difficult to read pressure accurately. In some cases, the main board, which enables the pressure sensor to work, may be damaged. To resolve the error, several solutions can be applied. Cleaning the air chamber is a crucial step, which involves turning off the washing machine, locating the air chamber next to the pressure sensor, and soaking it in warm water until clean. Regular cleaning of the air chamber can help prevent blockages. Checking and fixing connections is also essential, which involves finding the wiring connecting the pressure sensor and the main board, checking for loose or damaged wires, and replacing or reinforcing them as needed. If the sensor hose is damaged, it should be replaced with a new one. Similarly, if the pressure sensor is damaged, it should be replaced with a compatible new sensor. In extreme cases, if all other methods fail, replacing the main board may be necessary, which may require the assistance of a professional.